Let's take a quick look at the most significant new features and changes in EasyMorph version 5.9. The biggest update in version 5.9 comes to tables and charts in workflows. In previous versions of EasyMorph, charts in workflows were special objects and therefore had some limitations. For example, workflow charts were entirely separate and had no relation to any charts created in the analysis view of a table. You also couldn't derive another chart or table from an existing chart. In version 5.9, charts and tables have been merged into a single unified workflow object. A new view option in the top left of every workflow table now allows you to switch the view seamlessly between a tabular data grid view and one or more chart views. These charts are synchronized with the analysis view, and so any chart or cross table created in the analysis view will appear in the drop-down also. Whichever view you are currently in, all of the actions and charts can be viewed in the table properties on the left-hand side of the screen. And as always with EasyMorph, the upgrade is seamless and you won't lose any functionality. All charts in your existing workflows will be automatically converted. This significant upgrade to tables and charts also lays the groundwork for some exciting new features coming in the future. Another important new feature in version 5.9 is the addition of a new parameter type called file upload. This parameter type is created in the same way as any other parameter, but rather than storing a string or numeric value, it allows me to upload one or more files which are stored in a temporary folder. The parameter then holds the path to the file which I can use in my workflows anywhere where I can use a parameter. In EasyMorph Desktop, this might not seem to add a lot of value, but it becomes a huge help when moving my project to an EasyMorph server. If my workflow loads in a file from a specific path, historically I would also have to make sure that the same file was available to the server under the exact same path, or my workflow would fail. The file name and folder path parameter types could be used to configure the path or file name to be different between EasyMorph Desktop and EasyMorph Server, but we still need to manually make sure our file is copied to the correct path for the server. And giving users access to folders on the EasyMorph server could pose a security risk. With the file upload parameter type in version 5.9, EasyMorph server also prompts me to upload the file when I run the project as a task. File upload parameters can be used on their own or in combination with another new feature in version 5.9, the uploaded files action. This new action allows us to return a list of uploaded files, their full paths and sizes. And as with any other list of files in EasyMorph, I can combine them with other actions to filter the list, validate the file formats, and load them into a table. Version 5.9 also brings a long-awaited new data import action. The import from OData action now makes it possible to pull data into EasyMorph directly from systems which provide OData RESTful APIs, such as SAP or Microsoft Dynamics. It supports importing both OData entities as well as entity metadata. And finally, the new modified column names action makes it quick and easy to add a prefix or suffix to one or more columns in a table. You can download and upgrade to version 5.9 of both EasyMorph Desktop and EasyMorph Server right now by heading to the download section of the EasyMorph website.